Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use OneHash CRM to master sales and automation in 2025. Step 1. Log into your OneHash CRM account or sign up if you haven't yet. Step 2. Go to Settings and configure your workspace. Set your company name, currency, and time zone. Step 3. Navigate to Leads and click New Lead. Enter prospect information and source details. After that, move the lead through stages such as contacted, proposal sent, or negotiation. Step 5. Set up deals. Create a deal record linked to the lead, specify value, expected close date, and sales stage. Step 6. Enable email integration. Connect your email account so that incoming or outgoing emails sync automatically. Step 7. Configure workflows automation. Go to Automation, add a trigger like when lead status changes. Then choose an action such as send follow-up email or create task. Step 8. Set up notifications. Under Notifications, enable alerts for deals, updates, or overdue follow-ups. Step 9. Explore reporting. Visit Analytics and run Sales Pipeline Report or Lead Conversion Report to track your performance. Step 10. Integrate with other tools. Connect with Slack, Zapier, or your accounting system as needed via OneHash integrations to streamline data flow. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.